Is your tile floor looking dull and grimy despite regular cleaning? In this video, we'll cover the top 5 grout cleaners on Amazon that will revitalize your floors and bring back their original shine. Let's start with one of the most popular options on the market, the Black Diamond Ultimate Grout Cleaner. This professional-grade formula is acid-free and safe for both white and colored grout, making it suitable for most ceramic, porcelain, and natural stone tiles. It comes in a spray bottle, and for best results, simply spray it on the grout lines. Wait 3 to 5 minutes, scrub with a brush, and wipe clean. Unlike many harsh chemical cleaners, Black Diamond leaves no residue and has a mild scent that won't overwhelm your space. Users love how it restores grout to its original brightness without damaging surrounding tile. It's especially effective on older grout lines that have become stained from years of foot traffic and cleaning product buildup. Next up is the Zepp Grout Cleaner and Brightener, a powerhouse solution for heavily stained or discolored grout. This is an acidic cleaner, which means it's not suitable for natural stone, but it's incredibly effective on ceramic and porcelain tile. It works by breaking down embedded dirt and lifting deep stains from the grout. For best results, apply it directly to the grout lines. Allow it to sit for a few minutes, then scrub lightly. Users report noticeable brightening after a single use, making it ideal for homes with lighter colored grout that has dulled over time. It's especially popular among professionals and landlords looking to make high-traffic floors look brand new. For those seeking a more eco-conscious and gentle approach, the Goo Gone Grout and Tile Cleaner is a solid choice. This foaming spray formula is safe, citrus-scented, and ideal for regular maintenance. It tackles more than just grout. It also removes soap scum, mildew stains, hard water deposits, and grime from tile surfaces. The spray clings to vertical surfaces like bathroom walls and shower stalls, making it versatile for more than just floors. It's best for mild to moderate buildup and works quickly, with most users seeing results in just a few minutes. Goo Gone is favored by those who want a less toxic option that still delivers results, especially in households with children or pets. If you're looking for a cleaner specifically designed for heavy-duty use on colored grout, the Clean-eez Heavy-Duty Grout Cleaner should be on your radar. This formula is strong enough to handle years of embedded dirt and grime, yet gentle enough for use on colored grout without causing fading or discoloration. One of its standout features is that it often comes bundled with a professional grout brush, making the process even more effective. Users recommend applying it in sections, scrubbing with the brush, and rinsing thoroughly. It's ideal for kitchens, entryways, and high-traffic areas that need a deep clean. Clean-eez consistently receives praise for how dramatically it improves the appearance of grout lines that have become nearly black from buildup. Rounding out our list is the Grout Sensation Heavy-Duty Grout Cleaner, a fast-acting solution used by professionals and hospitality businesses for its near-instant results. This industrial-strength formula works in as little as 30 seconds, lifting years of grime without the need for prolonged scrubbing. It's not intended for everyday use, but shines when you need to make a floor look showroom-ready fast. Whether you're prepping a home for sale or need to restore a neglected tiled area, Grout Sensation delivers visible results quickly. Despite its power, it doesn't produce strong fumes, making it usable even in smaller spaces with minimal ventilation.